Think it'll scare the kids?
Are those claw marks always there?
A new asset that we've been developing.
I am delighted to announce that the E7050 project is a complete success.
Perfect weapon for modern age.
I have created the world's first hybrid dinosaur, the Scorpios Rex.
Indominus Rex.
The Indoraptor.
She marked up that wall as a distraction. She wanted us to think she escaped.
We are talking about an animal here.
A highly intelligent animal.
The complexity of creating an entirely new life form?
It's not a real dinosaur.
It ain't. But somebody's got to make sure that this company has a future.
Who do you think is to blame? You got greedy, and instead of dinosaurs, he built